wrapped it in some electrical tape so that it wouldn't go all over the place. Man, this Super 33 is great stuff. Okay. And I mean, if we can't hide the wires, at least we can make them look cool, right? Where is my cutters? Okay. Tired of messing with this tape. Okay. So, you know, what we're gonna do is, I'll just say, you know, this stuff's coming from we're already gonna need wires going up to an LED here. Let's see, if we come out and up and around, we're just gonna chop off a bunch here. And now I need a pair of scissors. Okay. Oh, I'm bumping you guys. Okay. This isn't awesome, but good enough. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to trim off two, right? One. Jesus. This stupid thing's going to hit me in the head. Okay, so we're going to... Here, how about some ASMR? Alright, so we'll do this a couple of times. Alright. How about some more? Can you hear that? Two. Okay, guys, I have to come up with a different setup. This is great when I'm like, it's a little further away, but if I want you right here, this is not really going to work very well. Here. Okay, I need one more. Anyways, yeah, so you guys should go watch WandaVision. It's gotten a lot better. And they finally revealed who the bad guy is. I'm not going to spoil it for you because I have no idea if any of you guys have watched it yet or not. But I was pretty much spot on from the first episode. So it's not really that... It's really not that hard to figure out. I just don't know what this person wants. Nobody does. They cliffhanged you. Okay. Okay. So the idea is going to be, you know, that we get my orientation straight here. You know, it's going to be something like this. And then the wires will go wherever they need to go for this switch. So, I'll be right back. I'm going to... Too much junk. Rid of some tape. Fuck. Tape. And I'll come right back and when I make a little bit of progress. All right, everybody? Hang on. Alright everybody, here you can see that I've got my my clock, and you can see that you can mess with this thing pretty good and you're not going to break it. Let's try to, okay, so let's turn down our light. Let's turn off this light. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're in the testing phase of seeing if this is going to work. So what we're looking for here is you're looking for this. This should be the backlight control for the let's see here. Hey! And then it times out, so you can see. Watch. I can't see anything, everybody. There we go. So it's just from that one. It's from that one LED over here in the corner. So, you know, we could take, you know, one of these green LEDs also, and we can make it so that when you push the button, it lights up behind there. I don't know. I kind of like the idea of it being backlit all the time too, so that's pretty cool. And then what we have to do is we have to run wires from this, because I don't want to use a battery in this. I want to power it off of my power supply over here. So yeah, so at least we know that works, that I can turn the backlight on and off, right? Let's turn the lights back on. Okay. All right. So we're gonna have to, you know, dress this better and figure it all out, because this isn't gonna fit in this that I made. You know, we're gonna have to come out the back, or right on. We'll have to trim out right here on the side or something. I don't know. Let me. We'll bring you down. Going down. Okay. So yeah. So you can see that. You know. It's working, as AVE would like to say. Okay. So we can pull that off. This off. So this only can go one way. There's a little notch cut out here, and you can see the little LED. You can see it right there. So the question is, oh yeah, there's, how close can I get you here? If you look right here, here, and here, we could solder some wires on. You know, this is a right angle pointing LED, so instead of pointing up, it points in. What we were seeing was, you know, was kind of like a point of light, but you know, like I said, you know, these diffusers, they diffuse, so you can't really. Here, let's give you a diffusion filter. See, you can't see crap, right? And look, you can see. Yeah, see. So all it does is it diffuses the light into the panel more evenly, so it all looks lit up instead of just being like a bright spot right over there, which, you know, is what it is. But you get this white backing paper, you know. So, all right, guys. So I'm gonna pause the video here. I might pick it up later. Today's pretty much just a lazy day, but I got to get back to watching some YouTube videos. There's a guy I'm watching that I want to keep watching for the moment. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to pause this here. I'm going to figure out what I need to do here, okay? And then we'll get things started wired up. This old Tony, right? All right, guys. I'll see you in a little while. Bye. Hey, everybody. One more quick thing. We'll give you a view into the inner sanctum. the editing of this video. You can see my nice computer that I built. This is a Ryzen 7 3700X processor with a Quadro card. I built this all myself. I spent about $2,000 on it. So, yeah. So right now we're just copying over the memory stick. You can't see it, it's right there. So, yeah, these are some of the previous videos and stuff here, right? So yeah, I use VideoPad right here. So you can see that, and it pops up quick. So we're gonna say recent project. So we will say new project. Okay. And then this is pretty easy. We just come over here. I say open. So you can see that, if I can get my fat finger out of the way. So the first thing we always grab is my intro, right? And then we say open. And then come down here. Boom. And then we can kind of zoom a little, bring it in a little bit. And then the cool part about this program, you can come over here and click full screen, right? And then when we come out, there's a play button. Oh, and of course you can't hear it. All right. Okay, so that's it. And then we just go in to here, and we go into hard drive clock build. So anything from the 20th is today, right? So how do I have this sorted? I'll go by date, right? So you can hit shift and select all these files, and that's what I'm gonna do. Thought you guys just might want to, see how I make the videos. All right, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.